Hello everyone and welcome to our virtual exhibit. We are excited to participate in this year's show and want to use this time to showcase some of the industry's leading automated solutions that are proven to address issues you are likely facing in your manufacturing environment. We have been in business for over 60 years, and while times have changed, our core values remain the same. Our mission here at Shelley Automation is to build long-term partnerships with our customers, working together to ensure tomorrow's increasing demand for performance and quality. We represent automation, motion control, pneumatic, and industrial control solutions to various industries all across Canada and have partnerships with over 45 different suppliers. Up next, we have your local automation specialist who will be presenting industry-leading marking solutions from Gravitec, formerly known as Technifor.
Hello, my name is Connor McLeod and I am an automation product specialist for Shelley Automation. And today I'm going to introduce you to some of the features and benefits of our Gravitec line. Gravitec has the technology for any direct part marking application, whether it be laser, dot peen, or scribing. But today I'm going to introduce you to our laser marking line. In 1995 is when Gravitec first introduced their original laser marker, but since they have gone on to over 200,000 engraving and marking solutions and over 60,000 clients worldwide. So for Gravitec's laser line, we have both integrated and station models. Obviously what we're looking at today is a station model. Now for runtime operation, no PC needed. We just have our touchscreen over here. This comes with a two-piece design. We have our detachable head, very small form factor for easy integration inside of our enclosure, and our controller here below. Our LW2 enclosure, built with an aluminum body which acts as a heat sink during operation, is approximately 500 millimeters across by 500 millimeters deep with a maximum working height of 345 millimeters. If you need a larger enclosure, we do have the big brother, the LW3, which is approximately 1 meter across by 1 meter deep with a 450 millimeter working height. All of these come with detachable fiber source, which means for easy replacement or upgrade. We also have interchangeable lenses, including our 3D autofocus. All models come standard with dual shutter, dust and moisture IP rated, and no fan. So depending on the material you're marking, we may want to use a different source. The most common is the F series, which means a fiber laser is what we're looking at here. It marks the widest variety of metals. Then beyond that, our hybrid laser is good for some metals and a lot of plastics, and we even have a CO2 laser or a green laser, which can help to cover some different materials like ceramics, glasses, rubbers, or even organic materials like leather or wood. So with our fiber laser, we have 20, 30, and 50 watt models. That's a class 4 laser, and next year we are going to be coming out with a 200 watt laser as well. So I'm just going to walk to the other side now and we're going to show you some of the features of the touchscreen. So the easiest one to show, the most simple, is how we're going to operate everything directly from the touchscreen. No PC needed. So one way, we're just going to show you how to use the automatic door here, and I'll show you how it's handled. No problem, stops. We're just going to do an emergency clear here. Our door goes back up. Another interesting feature of the touchscreen is we can store all of our job files here, and effectively it's an unlimited amount of job files. So we can go through here, choose any one out of the list, and it's already held here right in the controller, no PC needed. Change them as you please. Another interesting feature, as you can see, we can even control our fume extractor directly from the touchscreen. We have a task light inside of our laser marker. And one of the most important features is that you can back up all of your job files directly from your touchscreen to a USB. Okay, so at long last, we're going to show you what you all have been waiting for, a live demonstration. We're going to show you how this works in action. And we're going to demonstrate several things while doing this. One, we're going to mark 3 different marks. We're going to start with alphanumeric, move on to a 2D code, and then finally do a logo. This is going to demonstrate a couple of things. One thing, all these marks are on a radius, a slightly curved surface. 2, all 3 of them are at a different height, so this is going to demonstrate both our autofocus and our liquid lens capabilities. Most importantly, what this is leading into is traceability. In your industry, what laser marking is going to be used for more often than not is traceability of your parts, and that's going to lead directly into how Shelley Automation can offer a full solution with our Cognex line.
Up next, we have your motion control sales rep presenting conveyor solutions from Dorner Conveyors.
At Dorner, we're transforming conveyor automation by providing cutting-edge precision conveyance solutions designed to increase your efficiency and productivity. With a complete line of industrial belted, modular belt, and flexible chain conveyors, as well as the industry's widest variety of sanitary conveyor designs, we have a conveyor for almost every application. With the precision of a Dorner conveyor, we'll get your product to the exact location, in the exact position, at the exact time it needs to be there for the next phase in your production process. This results in optimal performance and efficiency, reduced waste, less downtime, and maximized production output. Dorner conveyors are engineered for a broad range of industries, including packaging, assembly automation, food processing and handling, manufacturing, pharmaceutical, medical, and more. Our best-in-class transfers move products from conveyor to conveyor and between equipment and conveyor without losing orientation, spacing, or location. Dorner's precision conveyors can provide speeds up to 300% greater than conventional conveyors, so you can run your equipment at a higher capacity, maximizing throughput and your ROI. Our line of precision move conveyors and servo motors provide precise belt movement when accuracy and placement is key. Dorner's custom V-guiding ensures belts are tracking properly. This means our belts and your products will be running straighter and more reliably. With a 4,500 square foot in-house belting cell, we're able to manufacture a wide variety of belts faster than any other conveyor manufacturer. With in-house splicing, cleat welding, and V-guiding techniques, we create quality belts that enhance any conveyor system. Dorner conveyors have sleek, low-profile frames, allowing them to fit into tighter spaces when machine space is at a premium. Our vertical conveyor options allow the use of overhead conveyors, saving valuable floor space and keeping operator aisles open.
Hi, my name is Dalton, and today I'm going to take some time to discuss an inspection conveyor, part handling conveyor, and how conveyors can be used in assembly automation. The Dorner 2200 series are low-profile, high-performance belted conveyors ideal for small to medium part handling and transfers. Some of the specifications for the Dorner 2200 series include 24-inch widths, 30-foot lengths, 150-pound loads, and 400 feet per minute speeds. Some of the belt types we can offer include standard flattened cleated belts, precision move belts for greater product control, and modular belts for metalworking, packaging, and assembly. For applications that require greater loads and speeds, we can use the Dorner 3200 series, which is suitable for high speeds, long runs, and mainline packaging. For applications that exceed the standard 3200 series specifications, we can design a custom engineered solution to meet your needs. We also offer the 2200 and 3200 series conveyors with illuminated backlighting for visual inspection and quality control. There are also multiple color options available, and light sizes can vary based on the application. Dorner's FlexMove conveyors are high-performance aluminum flexible chain conveyors, and we're currently using this technology in various Linamar facilities in Guelph for part handling, transfers, and sortation. Shipping as a complete solution can save time and money, while shipping as components allows for more customization on the shop floor. One of the main advantages of a FlexMove system is it allows for inclines, declines, and curves all in one rep. Dorner's ERT 250 roller pallet and tray handling conveyors provide efficient non-contact zoning for medium and heavy load assembly. This technology uses driven rollers for zoning by adding or removing gear for simplified traffic control. It can also be configured with slip rollers for accumulation with minimal back pressure. The ERT 250 design allows for accumulation around corners and maintains product orientation. It can also handle up to 250 pounds per pallet and run up to speeds of 100 feet per minute. That concludes our segment on Dorner Conveyor Solutions.
Hello everyone, Mohammed here from Shelley Automation. I'm here today in the Windsor Automation Lab. I'm here to talk to you about the Banner Q4X laser distance sensor. What do I love about this sensor? We have coined this sensor the Swiss Army knife of sensors. And why is that? 5 teach modes in this baby here. Your first mode is your 2-point teach. Your second mode is your dynamic teach. Your third mode is your background suppression. And the last 2 modes, which are my favorite for most application, is your foreground suppression and your dual teach mode. What does that mean? All these different types of sensors, you're not gonna need them. Forget about it. So what I'm gonna do next is demo those last 2 sensing modes that I talked to you about. Before I get into that, a little secret about this sensor too. 2 discrete outputs built into this. So you're able to solve 2 applications in 1 sensor. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. What I've taught here is the Q4X with the 2 outputs that I discussed. The first output is your foreground suppression, and what that does is it's looking for part seated. So as you can see, my output on my sensor is turning on and off. My second output is that dual mode teach, which is taking both distance and intensity and coming up with the output. That you can see on the newly released Banner illuminated cable. And now it's looking for that color of that clip. Watch this. I take out that clip. I install the wrong color clip. The output on the cable goes off, and the output on the sensor for part seated stays on. That's your 2-for-1 deal there. And now for my grand finale, I'm going to show you the Q4X sensor along with our Pro Series lights. Kind of feel like MacGyver here with this sensor. Tank level detection. So as easy as placing my hand here and going through the sensor's range, you now can see visually position or tank level. What a great sensor. That was just a glimpse of the power of the Q4X. For more detailed information, you can reach out to your local Shelley sales rep, and don't forget about our sensor demo trial program so you can be able to test this at your facility on any application. Follow us on LinkedIn, stay safe, see y'all later.
Hey, Joe here from Shelley Automation, and we're back in the Windsor Automation Lab, and today we're looking at Banner Easy Lights. Some of our more popular Easy Lights are the illuminated key switch, the illuminated e-stop, and the illuminated touch buttons. We also have a wide variety of form factors when it comes to status and indication. New to the family of Easy Lights is the Easy Light Pro Series, which gives us RGB technology and individual LED control, where your imagination is your limitation.